Okay, it's Chef's Kitchen Saturday. Actually, what I call it, Breakfast for My Bride Saturday. And just a quick recipe or lesson on how I prepare breakfast the most easy and convenient way. Now, normally I like to cook eggs and sausage on the grill, on the stovetop, but it's so much trouble taking out the frying pan, scrubbing it out, and cleaning up. I found a much easier way, a much more convenient way of cooking eggs and sausage. And so today I'm using the waffle grid. I can also use the George Foreman Lean Mean Fat Grilling Machine too. That works well, except that it leans forward and the grease runs out. I need something to catch it, or I need to prop up the front of the Lean Green Grilling Machine so that the juices stay in there with the cooking, or the eggs don't run out. But I found the waffle maker works pretty well. So I'm going to just open up the grill. Spray a little Spam in there. And you might think that this is harder to clean, but it's actually much easier to clean because these grills just pop right out and they rinse so well. And I've got my Jim Dean sausage. Cut out a patty. Put that right in there just like that. And I think I'll go ahead and crack an egg and just put it in 1/4 of the fryer. Just close it up. I say fryer, the waffle maker. Just wait for that to happen. Now, I've never done it with sausage before. I just press it on down. With the waffle maker, you can flip it over to make a sausage, and the light turns green when it's ready. I don't flip it over because I want the egg running everywhere. I just let it grill. Why we flip over the waffle maker, I have no idea, because it cooks just as well one way or the other. But it's cool anyway. And you'd be surprised how quickly the eggs especially cook in the waffle maker. So fast. I call it my waffle eggs. In the meanwhile, get out some nice dishware. Get the toast started. I can check on it. That's cooking really well. Let's see if we can get a view of that. Yeah, sausage is still a little pink, but it's coming out nicely. Now at this point I can flip it, and that will help the top of the egg to cook well. There's a green light that comes on when the waffle's ready, but it doesn't work the same way for eggs and sausage. Okay, the egg, I'm certain, is ready. I like to have, can't use that, got the raw meat on it. Take a little knife and get underneath of it without scratching anything. There we go, we got it now. Look at that. Just place that on the plate. I'll cut into the sausage a little bit. I think that could cook a little bit more. The eggs back. Jam and butter for the toast. The eggshells, we've got a garden in the backyard, and whether I'm serving breakfast or I'm breaking a raw egg and putting it on the dog food for extra protein and just a shiny coat of hair, I take the eggshells and just toss them in the garden. Looks like there's been a bombardment of birds flying over, laying their eggs and cracking them in my garden, because there's eggshells everywhere, but it's very good for the soil. And toast is nearly ready. Here we go. Lightly browned. Take that out. There we go. Look at that. A little bit more brown. Okay. We'll set this aside. But again, this seems like a big mess. It is a little bit filled with grease, but so with the frying pan. But once this cools down, just unplug it, and once it cools down, I push these buttons, and these little saucers, waffle saucers, come out. They rinse so easily. I'll pour any excess grease from the sausage into a container and let that harden, use it later. But otherwise, it just rinses really, really well. It's such an easy, convenient cleanup. All right, we've got toast is ready. And we'll butter that up. Gotta butter it up while it's hot so that the butter melts nicely and the toast doesn't get too hard. Just a light coating to keep it from getting too hard. Toast is hard already, but you don't want it to like stiff hard. And I don't think it's pretty just to put a big piece of bread on the plate. So get another plate, and I like to cut it in angles. Make it pretty. Aesthetics is everything. You can have a bad tasting meal, but if it looks pretty in our minds, maybe it tastes a little bit better too. Not sure if that's the case here, but okay. She likes a lot of toast with her. She likes a lot of toast with her breakfast. And there we go. And I'll post a picture because the lighting's not so good here. But that's the breakfast. But gotta pretty it up a little bit. We still have knockout roses blooming outside. So, and I've got a rose bush that started blooming this year. So you cut fresh roses. Normally rinse that, but it rained last night, so it still has the dew. And just find nice place to display that. Not quite on the food, but beside it. And we'll make it nice and pretty. Okay? So, breakfast for my bride Saturday, Chef's Kitchen. Hope you have a wonderful weekend and enjoy. Kids, make a special breakfast for your mom and dad today.